Hey guys, we're making New York strip steak today, and I know a lot of you are a little confused sometimes when you're in looking for a steak and you're like trying to find the right steak for you. So I'm gonna break it down for you. You want to get USDA choice. It's very simple. This is what the USDA chooses when they go shopping for a steak. Now make sure it's nice and thick, at least an inch or larger thickness. This makes sure that it's nice and juicy on the inside, doesn't dry out when you're cooking it, all right? And make sure there's not a lot of fat running through the middle. These are nice cuts. Let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so I don't know if you noticed this, but what I did is I used a little bit of fresh garlic. I put some fresh ground pepper on there, just a touch of salt. And I also like to use the misto bottle with some fresh garlic inside there. Now, I like to keep the garlic in there because that infuses the oil with some nice flavor. It's gonna make the steak taste real nice. Let's go ahead, let this come back to room temperature a little bit. You don't wanna cook your steaks too cold. Otherwise, it's not going to taste right. So let it warm up a little bit, settle, marinate. It's going to taste real good. Let's give it some time and we'll go ahead and cook it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use the cast iron skillet. As always, love the cast iron skillet. It's got a nice distribution of heat and really great at searing steaks. So we're going to use this to make my New York strip steak. So let's go ahead and turn this on high. We want it hot, really hot. It's not burning the house down, but like we want it hot. Let's wait until this gets to the point where like a little bit of smoke starts to come off it, and then we're going to throw some oil on there. So give it a second. So we want this to heat the oil up to the point where it smokes slightly, and then we're going to throw on the steaks. Now listen, you don't want to stab your steak with forks. You want to use a nice pair of tongs, because the tongue will allow you to manipulate the meat in a way that you're not like going to like be poking it. You know, you want all the juices draining out. You gotta use a pair of tongs, all right? Oh yeah. Hear that sizzle. Use a pair of tongs. Go ahead and flip that over. Just flip it away from you, alright? Last thing you want to do is splash hot grease all over your nice shirt. There you go. Boom. So there you have it, New York strip steak, Hungry Buzz style. Make sure you get yourself a nice USDA choice steak and follow my tips and my recipe. You won't be disappointed. Hey, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and drop me a comment because I'm always interested in what you guys say. Hey, kids! Who wants to try some steak? You want to try some steak?
Yeah.
Let's do it. Taste test. What do you think, guys?
There's a really nice flavor to it.
Yeah?
Yeah. I like it.
You like it?
It's yummy. I love it.
Yeah, you
I don't
got it.
like it. I
don't
love
know
it.
what you put in it, but I do know that whatever you put in it, it has a good flavor.
So this is the deal. You watch my video, you'll be able to make perfect steak every time. There you got it, guys. See you next time.